Hello, and welcome to another remote work from home job opportunity just for you. This one is to be a chat specialist. It is remote. The company is based in Tampa, Florida, but you can work anywhere from the US, and it pays up to $731 a week. So, for the position as a chat specialist at Absorb, your primary responsibility is to exceed the expectations of website visitors by providing outstanding service and sales support through our website chat channel. This position is perfectly stepping stone for an ambitious professional who has interest in our industry and can build relationships and provide outstanding customer service. You'll multitask, learn quickly, and build your ability to drive sales and company growth. So the requirements: 1 to 3 year experience in customer service or sales role, team player and self-motivated, adaptable to change, ability to deal with and thrive on objections and rejections daily, strong verbal and written communication skills, exceptional typing proficiency, experience with web-based tools, excellent attention to detail, interested in long-term career opportunities in SaaS. Preferred requirements: bachelor degree or equivalent. Again, it is preferred, it's not required. Experience using a session-based or continuous messaging platform such as Drift or Intercom. And technologies that they use: Absorb LMS, Google Analytics, Marketo, Salesforce, ZoomInfo, Lane4, Outreach, Drift, and beyond. So if you're not familiar with those, definitely search them so you get more familiar with them. So the company itself, Absorb Software, is a learning technology company based in Calgary, Alberta, Canada, with offices in London, Dublin, Tampa, Boston, and Sydney, Australia. Absorb offers both Infuse, the first learning experience platform to offer a true in-the-flow learning experience, and our flagship product, Absorb LMS, an industry-leading and award-winning learning management system for businesses, higher education, government, and nonprofit agencies around the world. Absorb is setting new standards in learning technology and support, fueling companies who believe that people are their greatest assets. We exceed expectations across enterprises, industries, and continents, helping people learn at the speed of now and preparing companies for the future of work. How do we do it better? We pay attention to the details and go deep where it matters, turning a culture of learning into a revenue engine for global titans the world over. So, why work with Absorb Software? The position is eligible for participation in Absorb's incentive program, outlined in Absorb's incentive program policy: 401k contribution, employer paid benefits, health, dental, and vision, professional development plans, career progression / internal mobility opportunities, inclusive work environment, casual dress code, volunteering opportunities, company / team building events, and flexible remote working options for the selected role. Since this role can be fully remote, you can work from anywhere at home or anywhere in the United States that you desire, as long as you meet with the requirements. If there's something that you would like to apply that you feel like you're a perfect fit for, I'll put the links right below for you to go ahead and apply. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a remote work from home job just for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.